Why do 70% of new crypto enthusiasts choose PancakeSwap? Let's find out by buying Unibot Coin. First things first, you'll need a crypto wallet. We recommend MetaMask. Install it and set it up if you haven't already. Next, open PancakeSwap.finance directly in your MetaMask browser. Connect your MetaMask wallet to PancakeSwap. This step is crucial to start trading. Now it's time to swap your tokens. If you can't find Unibot Coin, don't worry, you might need to import it. Simply paste the token address into PancakeSwap and click Import. Don't forget, the first time you buy a token, you'll need to add it to your MetaMask wallet too. Paste the token address into MetaMask, click Import Token or Add New Token, and you're good to go. Finally, swap your desired tokens for Unibot Coin. Approve the transaction, and there you have it. Welcome to the revolutionary world of Unibot Coin, where crypto meets AI bots, sports e-commerce, and more. Happy trading, and remember, always double-check addresses and details before confirming transactions.